guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I revamped this red lace front wig. This was my birthday wig from a couple of months ago that I was telling you guys about. So if you're interested in seeing how I restored this hair, keep watching. As you can see, this lace front is a hot mess. It has old Got2B Glue Gel left on it, and this hair is super frizzy. So we're going to take care of that. I'm going to start off by using some OGX Argan Oil conditioner, just scrubbing that with my fingers, and then after that I'll go in with a soft toothbrush to scrub the lace, removing all of the Got2B glue. So I went ahead and shampooed the hair with that same OGX brand. It smells much better and looks much better. Now she is all clean and ready to go. I got all the hard, crusty Got2B Glue Gel out of there. So I usually let the hair air dry, but I was in a rush, so I decided to blow dry it. Before you do that, spray it with a heat protectant. I used the Frieda brand. So now Robin is clean and dry and ready to be flat ironed. Before I flat iron, I'm going in with my Frieda Frizz Ease to ease some of that frizz, obviously. This is the Argan Oil of Morocco, the same OGX brand. You don't need much, just a tad bit. Now I'm going in with my olive oil mousse, just adding some at the top to lay it down. started the flat iron process, just going in with my Frieda Daily Nourishment spray along the way. So she is all flat ironed and I'm ready to slay this lace front. If you want to know details about the hair, just check the description box below. So I'm going to use my She Is Bomb hair wax stick to lay those flyaways. Okay girl, let's get these edges together. Use your mousse and swoop for your life. I'm going to be using my ABH contour kit to lighten up this brown wig cap. This is my first time using brown instead of beige, and I really liked it. Beige is usually too bright for me. Make sure you add some of that makeup to your lace wig as well. So you're going to need some Got2B glue in the black bottle and the Frizz spray in the yellow bottle to lay down this lace front. I like to do it in sections. I start with the middle and then proceed to the left and right. Make sure your blow dryer is set to cool and just use it until the gel is tacky. I would say about 12 seconds. So after it is tacky enough, you can go ahead and lay that middle section down. and then blow dry it to make sure it's secure. Now I'm moving on to the next section, just adding some Got2B Glue Gel and Freeze spray and doing the same routine. Now that it's tacky enough, I'm just using my rat tail comb to lay it down and try to move the baby hairs out of the way as much as you can. So I'm just using my mousse to kind of mold the baby hairs to where I want them to lay, and then I'm going to secure it with the Got2B glue and blow dry it down. So now I'm going to continue what I was doing, just moving on to the other side. And please excuse my weird facial expressions. Okay, girl, I see them edges coming together. So now we are moving on to the last part of the lace front, almost to the finish line. Finally, the frontal is laid, and now I'm going to go back in with my She Is Bomb hair wax stick to lay the flyaways. I usually use my hot comb, but I was in a rush, so I didn't this time. Child, what a difference. So I'm just giving you guys a final look at the end result overall. I think it turned out very nicely to say I was in a rush. I brought Robin back to life, honey. I know you see the vibration in that hair, yes. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and comment as well. Stay tuned for more. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.